Hey, what's going on, everybody? John here with Knight Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. Today we have a 2019 F250 Super Duty. Came in for our Fireball 10-year Doak Dew ceramic coating and a Retrax Powertrax Pro XR. This particular cover is power. It does have T-slots in the rails if you want to put bike racks or a basket or haul a kayak. You have a fob here. Press the open button, hold it down, and the cover opens. This particular F250 came with factory bed lighting, but even with that being said, there's a button on the fob. You have yourself a light on the canister. You have the drain tubes to keep all the water out. Press the close button, and you can stop this anywhere by taking your finger or thumb off the fob. I don't know why you would want to, but you could stack 500 pounds evenly distributed on top of this cover. This is a really sweet premium truck bed cover. If you have any questions about truck bed covers or interested in a ceramic coating, please email us at info@KnightAutoPCD.com. You can call or text the office here at 440-666-8684. Not only do we offer the Retrax, but any product line in the Truck Hero brand of families, which include Roll and Lock, Truxedo, X-Tang, Undercover, and many more. Perfect for Father's Day with discounted installation costs. Once again, my name is John. We are Knight Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings, and Detailing. We will see you in the next video.